Is an oscilloscope a luxury item for repairing electronics, since 99% of the problems can be found with the basic multimeter? No, an oscilloscope is almost a necessity. When you need it, you really need it. A multimeter isn't going to tell you that an amplifier is oscillating at 3 MHz when it shouldn't be. Though it's true that the majority of problems can be found with a multimeter, simple logic, and standard fixes like cleaning switches and potentiometers, replacing obviously failed electrolytic capacitors, and checking for bad solder joints. A luxury item for repairing electronics is something like a curve tracer, which is a wonderful tool for testing components and circuits. Whilst an oscilloscope provides a graph of voltage versus time, or voltage versus voltage in XY mode, in a circuit, a curve tracer provides a graph of voltage versus current through a component or circuit.
Below is one of my curve tracers, displaying a graph of current through a triode as the plate voltage is varied, for various values of grid voltage. It clearly shows that the triode is working correctly and matches the manufacturer's specifications. But it is a luxury, you can service electronics without it.